Hello everyone, welcome to the 26th exercise of Autodesk Fusion 360 Beginners tutorial. In this exercise, I am going to be showing you how to design this model using Autodesk Fusion 360. This may look a little bit complex design, but don't worry. I will show you exactly how to design this model in step by step. Here are the dimensions of the model and the tools and commands I am going to use in this tutorial. If you guys have any suggestions and recommendations, please let me know in the comments section. I'll go through them. Now, without wasting time, let's get into it. First, create a new design. The unit I'm going to use in this tutorial is millimeter. Create a new sketch on the front plane. Go to center dia circle, select the center as the origin and give it a dia of 10 mm. Draw another concentric circle of dia 16 mm and another concentric circle of 24 mm respectively. Arrange the dimensions properly so that we can have a clear view of our sketch. Go to straight line command and draw a horizontal line from this quadrant of the circle of length 98 mm, followed by a vertical line of length 12 mm. Draw another horizontal line of length 98 mm as follows. Now draw another vertical line of 98 mm. This time I am going to draw an inclined line of 98 mm with an inclination of 150 degree, let it be 120 degree. Arrange this dimension properly. Now go to fillet command and fillet this corner up to 28 mm. Repeat the same step here of 28 mm. Make sure you arrange these dimensions properly. Under modify, go to offset command or you can press O. Make sure the chain selection is turned off. Select these curves one by one. Drag them inward up to a distance of -6 mm. Click OK. Go to straight line command and draw a straight line perpendicular to this line and give it any length. Go to center dia circle, select the two tangent circle. For the tangent lines, select these two lines and give it a radius of 12 mm. Press C to go to center dia circle again and draw a concentric circle of dia 10 mm. Under modify, go to trim and trim out this unnecessary portion. Go to line command again and select the first point anywhere on this circle and the second point on this junction where the curve and the line meets. Under constraint, go to tangent, select this circle and this line so they are tangent to each other. Go to straight line command again, draw a vertical line from this quadrant of the circle up to here. Uncheck the Show Dimension option so that we can have a clear view of our sketch. Go to Trim command and trim out this circular portion. Go to Straight Line command and turn on the construction feature. Draw a construction line from this center of any length and give it an angle of 45 degrees. Turn off the construction feature. Go to Straight Line command again. Draw a line from this circle up to anywhere here. Repeat the same step on the other side. On the next point, put it here. Press D to go to Sketch Dimension command. Select these two lines and specify an angle between them as 15 degrees. Repeat the same step on the other side. Now under Constraint, go to Tangent, select the circle and this line and repeat the same step on the other side. So these lines and the circle will be tangent to each other. Here is my sketch ready. I am attaching an image of the sketch in this video. Make sure you take a screenshot of this so that you can design properly. The majority of this design is consisting of this sketch, so make sure you prepare this sketch properly. Finish sketch. Go to Extrude command. First, select this profile. Drag it outward up to a distance of 26 mm. Direction symmetric, so we will have a total distance of 52 mm. Operation New Body and click OK. Right click and repeat Extrude. Turn on the visibility of previous sketch. Select these profiles carefully. Distance 26 mm. Direction symmetric. Operation New Body and click OK. You may get confused why I extruded them separately. I will explain this later. Now go to Shell. Check this tangent chain option. Here is our body 1 and hide it. Select this bottom portion of this body. Inside thickness 8 mm. Click OK. I hope you guys have understood why I extruded them separately, so that we can have two bodies and I can shell it out separately. Now it's time to join them. So go to Combine. For target body, select this one, and for tool body, select this one. Operation Join and click OK. Go to Fillet command. Select these two edges and fillet them up to 18 mm. Repeat fillet. This time select these two edges and fillet them up to 26 mm. Turn on the visibility of previous sketch. Go to Extrude. Select these profiles. Direction symmetric. and extrude it up to 3 mm. So we can have a total extrude length of 6 mm. Operation join and click OK. Go to fillet again. Select these two edges and fillet them up to 28 mm. Go to extrude command. I have clicked on the revolve command mistakenly. So go to extrude. Select this profile. Extrude it outward. Operation cut. Extend all. So it will cut all the bodies coming on its way. Direction symmetric and click OK. Here I have created a hole. Now repeat extrude command for the profile. This time select these profiles. Direction symmetric. Drag this profile outward and click on this surface. So it will be extruded up to this surface. Here we have our extruded body ready. Operation join and click OK. Turn off the visibility of sketch 1. We need to create another hole here. So go to hole. Click on this surface. For the reference, select this arc. So our hole will be created at the center of this arc. Hole type simple, tab type simple, and drill point flat. Hole distance make it all, and hole dia 16 mm. Click OK. Now create a new sketch on the left plane. Go to 2-point rectangle and draw a rectangle of width 20 mm and give it any length. Under create, go to project, or you can directly press P. Selection filter specify identities. Click on these edges, turn on projection link and click OK. So we have our edges projected on the current sketch. Press D to go to sketch dimension command. Select this side and this point and specify a distance between them as 8 mm. Again these two edges and specify a vertical distance of 60 mm in between them. Go to fillet command and fillet this corner up to 3 mm and this corner too. Finish sketch. Go to extrude command. The profile has been already selected. Start plane, change it to object and select this surface. So our body will be extruded from this surface. Now drag it backward up to a distance of 65 mm. Operation cut. Here you can see this portion of our body will be cut. So click OK. Press F to go to fillet command. Select these two edges and fillet them up to 10 mm. Here is our body almost ready. We need to add some more details here. So go to chamfer. Click on these two edges. Type to distance. In this side, drag it up to 15 millimeter, and in this side, make it 32, and in this side up to 10 millimeter. It looks great, so click OK. Go to fillet command, select these two edges and fillet them up to 10 millimeter. Now we need to provide one last shell on this surface. So under modify, go to shell. For the faces, click on this surface, make sure the tangent chain option is on and provide an inside thickness of 2.5 millimeter. Click OK. Here is our body ready. Press A to go to appearance. I'm going to provide this yellow color on it. Here is our body ready. I hope you guys have learned something new in this tutorial. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe to us and turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss any of our new videos. For more videos, make sure you check out our channel. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, keep designing and design whatever you love. Bye bye.